Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to check Zong SIM balance on your mobile. So let's begin the video. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. So let's start the video. For checking the balance of your Zong SIM, you will simply tap on the mobile phone keypad. So here you will simply uh, tap and write star triple two hash, and you will simply tap on the green button of the call. It will take a while and your balance has been confirmed here. So here you can see your balance is like rupees 68 and its validity date is 742024. So this is the simple process of checking the Zong SIM number on your mobile. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. Thank you.